We are discussing chapter number 8, cell structures and functions. We are taking question and answer on cells, about the cell structure and cell functions. First is indicate whether the statements are true or false. Unicellular organisms have one cell body. This is true. Muscle cells are branched. This is false. The basic living unit of organism is an organ, which is also false. An amoeba has irregular shape. This is true. Make a sketch of human nerve cell and what function do nerve cell perform? This is the human nerve cell. If this is the body, something happens, say, to our feet, then immediately our body knows, our mind knows, we know that something has happened. How does it work? The nerve cell receives and transfers messages, and that is how they help to control and coordinate the working of different parts of the body. Write short notes on cytoplasm and nucleus of a cell. So this is these are two cells. Cytoplasm is this one, all jelly-like substance between the nucleus. This is the nucleus, and this is the cell membrane. This is the intermediate part is contained with the cytoplasm. So various cell organelles like the ribosomes, the mitochondria, these are suspended into these cytoplasm, and this is very important, which helps to exchange and store the substance among cell organelles. And most of the metabolic activities, they occur inside these cytoplasm. Now the nucleus of a cell, this is a nucleus, this is a nucleus. So this is a central dense round body in this center. This is called the nucleus. It's a very important component of the living cell, and generally it is of spherical shape and located in the center of the cell, and you can easily witness them under the microscope. And nucleus is separated from, see, this is the cell, so this is a nucleus, so it is separated by the cytoplasm by a membrane, and so we have a membrane here which is called the nucleus membrane. Now this nucleus membrane is quite porous, and it allows the content to move in and out of the nucleus. This a small spherical body in the nucleus is known as nucleolus. So this nucleus also contains some thread-like structures, and which are very important, which are chromosomes, and they are the carrier of genes and the inheritance which transfers from different, the parents, you can say parents to the child, like the offspring. So the transfer of characters from the parent to the offspring is the responsibility of the genes inside the chromosomes. Which part of cell contains organelles? Cytoplasm is the part. So if this is a cell, we have a nucleus, here we have all cytoplasm, so it contains this organelle. So the cytoplasm, this is very gelatinous fluid inside a cell, and we have various organelles like mitochondria, the Golgi bodies, ribosomes, etc. Make sketch of animal and plant cells and difference between them. So this is a plant cell, this is an animal cell. So in the plant cell, if you talk about cell wall, it is present in the plant cell, it is absent in the animal cell. If you talk about centrosomes, it is absent in the plant cell and it is present, and it also helps in cell division in the animal. Plastids are present in the plant cell but absent in the animal cell. Vacuole, so vacuole, this plant cells, very large vacuole you will find, but in animal cell it may be absent, or if it is at all present, it's very small. State the difference between eukaryotes, right? I'll tell you, this is a difficult name to pronounce, and prokaryotes. So eukaryotes and prokaryotes. So prokaryotes, the cells having nuclear material within nuclear membrane. Nuclear material within nuclear membrane, they are known as prokaryotic cells, and the organisms with these kind of cells are called prokaryotes, like the bacteria and blue, green algae. Eukaryotes, the cell having well organized nucleus with a nuclear membrane. See, here we have cells having nuclear material without cell membrane. Here cell having well organized nuclear with a nuclear membrane. And these are termed as eukaryotic cells, and the organisms with these kinds of cells are known as eukaryotes, like the onion cells and the cheek cells. What are chromosomes and where are chromosomes found in cell? State their function. Chromosomes are very important as far as carrying of genes and helping in inheritance or transfer of characters from parents to the offspring is concerned. So chromosomes are found in the nucleus of the cell. Cells are the basic structure units of living organisms. Please explain. See, this is a wall. So the basic building block of any wall is brick. Here, this is an onion peel. The basic building block of this onion peel is what? It's a cell. So both the bricks in the building and cells in the living organisms are basic structural units. So all basic functions of organism survival takes place inside a cell. So if this is a cell, so as brick assemble to make a building, cell assemble to make the body of every organisms. A group of cell, so if you combine cell 1, cell 2, then it makes tissue. It is tissue. The tissue which performs specific function, and when we combine tissue 1, tissue 2, then they form an organ. And you know that the organ form an organism, organ has formed us. That is why cell is considered as the basic structural units of living organisms. Explain why chloroplasts are found only in plant cells. Chloroplast, as the name is suggesting, this is found in plant cell only because this chloroplast contains chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, which is very essential to make food and which is essential for photosynthesis. So chlorophyll is responsible for trapping the cell energy and use it to prepare food for the plants. We are completing the crosswords. So this is necessary for photosynthesis. That means we have first, this is across, we have just seen what was the answer. The term for component present in the cytoplasm, living substance in the cell, units of inheritance present on the chromosomes. And in down we have to find this. So green plastids formed by collection of tissues, like the organs we are going to write. And it separates the content of the cell from the surrounding medium. Empty structure in the cytoplasm, group of cells. Okay, that is tissue basically, this one. Tissue. So like this we will fill it, and this is the answer. In across we will fill chlorophyll, organelle, protoplasm and genes. While down, this is chloroplast, this is organ, this is membrane, we have membrane and vacuole, and then we have tissue, like this. So this is all about this chapter. Thank you so much and take care of yourself.